recording. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. So actually, sir, long time I am waiting for
Oh,
this conversation, and today you luckily we are meet.
wow, that's great. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you
I am
glad?
I am not, I am not just excited. I am so excited to talk with you.
Oh, that's great. You are so excited to talking to me. That's great. I'm also feel glad, and I feel thrilled because you know you are so excited to have a conversation with me. So thank you so much, sir.
So, do you remember, sir? One day we had a meet, but that time's network was bad, so that's why our call is disconnected.
I don't forget. I don't forget, sir. Still, I remember you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, how can I forget you?
Yeah, sir.
You are a farmer. Am I right? You are
Yeah,
from
yeah.
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
Hmm?
Oh,
Right?
yeah, right, sir, right.
How can I
And
forget you?
yes, sir. Actually, I am a biggest fan you, and in my free times, I watched your video. Yeah, you are. I think you are from. I am forget, sir.
I am
Uh,
from Bihar,
Bihar. No, no, not a Bihar. It's other
Kuwait.
space. Kuwait,
Kuwait.
Kuwait, Kuwait, Kuwait. I saw your Kuwait video, sir.
Okay. Okay.
There are so big ground.
Okay. Okay. Did you watch my video? Did you
Yes,
enjoy?
yeah, I'm so enjoy.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay. So what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, nothing special. I am learning English in my free times. I take a conversation video, and yeah, I practice more and more because I want to improve my English. And
How do you practice?
yeah, I do you know? I recently I have started YouTube channels and where I uploaded my video conversation video, basic video. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
and
So
and
do you make video every single day?
no, in my free times when I get the time, so that times I take a conversation video.
How many video do you upload in a week?
It's I think two
Two
video I
video.
upload two video.
Okay. You upload two videos in a week. That's great. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And
So sir, you are married, am I right?
yeah, I'm married.
How many children do you have?
Yeah, I have two children, one daughter and one son, and my they are going to same school, Marathi mediums, and yeah, my daughter is now studying ninth standard, and my son studying is seventh standard, and they both are very smart.
Okay, okay, okay. Do they know how to speak English?
Yeah, my son, not my son little bit speak English, but my daughter speak
Hmm.
English very well with me.
Okay, okay,
Actually, I so happy talk with you. Actually, my daughter in my free times teach me how to create sentence, how to use a pattern, how to use grammar, like a
okay, okay,
present tense, simple present tense, future tense, should, would. Actually, yesterday my daughter teach me how to use continuous tense, past continuous tense.
past continuations. Okay, okay, okay. Actually, yesterday your daughter, teach you. Don't say it is past indefinite tense. You can say yesterday my daughter taught me past continuation. So can you
Oh,
make sentence one two? So that I can understand past continuous tense?
yeah, yeah.
Example.
I, uh, I was swimming.
Ah, okay.
I was teaching. I was learning English
I was
yesterday.
learning. No, not I was learning. I was learning.
I was
I was
learning.
sleeping. I was eating. I
I
was
was
sleeping. I was going to market.
I was going to market. Yeah.
It is positive. Negative. I was I was not sleeping. I was not talking to you.
Mm. And
Okay?
question.
Okay, okay. So, were you sleeping yesterday?
Yes, in afternoon.
Okay, you can say yes, I was sleeping yesterday.
Yeah, I was sleeping yesterday. It's 2 hour.
Hmm. Were you reading book yesterday?
No, I wasn't reading a book yesterday.
Okay, okay, okay. Uh, was your daughter teaching to you yesterday?
Yes, my daughter was teaching yesterday to me.
Okay. Was your wife cooking food yesterday?
What do you say?
Was your wife cooking food yesterday?
Yeah, yes. Yeah, yes, my wife was cooking food yesterday.
It is called past continuous tense. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Action past in past going on in past continuous tense action going on. Okay.
Yes, yes. Means action is going on. Yeah, means
Action going past action going on.
means uh, what you call in English? Means
Subject,
starting.
subject plus was were plus be
Plus
one
ing.
ing plus object.
Yeah, plus object.
Hmm.
So actually, grammar is so difficult to me.
Okay, 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 that's good. So tell me, sir, your daily routine. What do you do entire day?
Oh, daily routine. It's yeah. Uh, Actually, visually, I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, and then after first all I turn on light in my room, and then I open my door, and I go to first all. Do you know bathroom? Is
Bathroom.
there?
Bathroom. Okay.
And after bathrooms, I brush my teeth, and
Okay.
then I go to washroom, and I take a bath. And then when I take a bath, so that times my wife making a tea for me, and
Hmm. My
yeah,
wife makes tea. My wife makes a
ma-
tea. Makes tea. We can say makes tea.
makes tea.
Hmm.
Yeah, and then I after taking a bath, I dry my body with my towel, and my towel color is red, and I because I like red colors. And then after that I put on my work clothes, and then I take a cup of tea, and then I go to ready for my works. And it's my work time is 6 o'clock morning, and to 10 o'clock morning. And then after that I came back
Hmm.
to around 10 o'clock, and then I take a rest, some rest. It's a 10 minutes rest. Then I after my
I
wife,
I take rest for 15 minutes. I take rest for 15 minutes.
I take a rest for 15 minutes. Then my wife serve me food. I eat food, and then I go to my farm. There are so many work. I I work in my farm. Then I came back my home 6 o'clock
Come back.
around.
Come back.
Yeah, I come back 6 o'clock in the evening, and then
I
I
come
pray.
back at 6 o'clock in the evening. I come back at 6 o'clock in the evening.
I come back 6 o'clock in the evening.
Hmm.
Okay, and then I fresh. I I fresh, and then I take a cup of coffee, and after that go to I go to work, and I come back at night 11 o'clock, and then when I come back to my home 11 o'clock at night, then I wash my hand. I I take a lunch. I take a dinner. Then after dinner I watch mobile. I watch English related video, and then I go to bed. So this is my daily routine.
Wow, that's great. How many hours do you sleep?
It's I think it's 6 hour. I sleep
Okay.
6 hours.
You sleep for 6 hours. You sleep for 6 hours.
Hmm. I sleep 6 hour.
Wow, that's good. When do you feel happy?
What is it? When we
When do you feel happy? When you feel happy.
Oh, I am always happy because my life is going smoothly. I don't take
Okay.
tension. I don't have a tension because I earn money. I
Okay.
don't earn money a lot of, but I earn
Okay.
money it 20,000 per month, and it's enough for my family. So that's why I am always happy.
Wow, that's great. Then that's great. Okay. Okay. And who makes you happy? Your work.
Yeah, my work make me happy because I am farmer, and I like farm. I like farming, and I like watering. I like watering to my plants. I daily check my plants, and
Mhm.
yeah, I like farming. I like sometime in my free times I go to swim because I like swimming.
Okay. So tell me what you grow, sir. Tell me what you grow. Paddy, wheat, corn, barley. What do you grow?
Yeah, actually, it's depend on a season.
Okay. So
Yeah,
nowadays, I think winters. I think rainy
mm.
season going on. Maharashtra. Am I right?
Yeah, rainy season start, but it's rain is not coming now because I don't know. But I am so worried about the rain because
Okay.
rain is not
Okay.
starting now, and rain is very important to our farm.
Mm.
So
It does
I am
not
so
rain.
waiting, sir.
It does not rain your side, right? Huh?
Yeah, yeah. I am waiting, sir, to rain.
Mm. You are waiting for rain
Yeah, for rain.
because if it rains, then you grow. I think paddy plant. Am I right?
Yes, yes. When rain started, so that times I take bajra.
Bajra. Okay, you grow bajra. Huh?
Yeah, I grow bajra.
So do you
So
like to eat bajra ki roti?
yeah, I like bajra ki roti, wheat roti.
Okay, okay. That is why you are bodybuilder.
Yeah, I am farmer, and I am always strong, sir. So
Wow.
I don't like a tea. Sometimes I take a tea, but
Mhm.
I like milk, eggs, fish.
Okay, okay. Do you
Yeah,
have buffalo cow?
uh, no buffalo, but I have a cow. It's 20 cow. I have a 20 cow.
You have 20 cows. My God, well, that's
Yeah,
great. Okay,
yeah.
so do you sell milk? Do you sell milk?
Yeah, I sell milk, but do you know cows give not a lot of milk, but
Mhm.
yeah, sometimes I sell milk, sometimes not, because my son like cow's milk, so she drink milk. I always drink milks. Actually, all my family members like milk.
Okay, okay. And what kind of food do you take?
Hello.
What kind of food do you take?
Yeah,
What kind
I
of
told
food?
you fish, meat, eggs. Yeah,
Okay, fish meat. Okay, you are both, I think, vegetarian and non-veg, both, huh?
both, sir.
Wow, that's great. That's great, sir. Okay.
So, sorry, sir. Actually, someone calling to me, so I have to
Okay.
go outside.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time.
Hmm.
Okay, and you will meet next time. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
did my
Nice
question.
to meet you, and we are definitely meet next time, sir. So, bye.
Okay,
Nice
okay,
to meet you, and yeah, nice conversation with you.